stunning political comeback.
A new chapter in American history.
Trump's comeback.
Today's inauguration marks the greatest political comeback.
Give up forever to touch you.
The thought of him coming
I know that you feel me somehow.
The political comeback is complete.
Closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And
It wasn't just the most historic, most improbable, impossible
all
comeback.
I could taste is this moment.
It was Donald Trump's greatest comeback.
All I can breathe is your light.
In the scope of American history, it's almost unbelievable. In the scope of Donald Trump's life, it's kind of routine.
And I don't want the world to see.
We will never see anything like this in the lifespan of this country, I think, ever again.